For my project, I decided to look at the creation of a density column as an interesting chemistry experiment. It deals with some simple concepts of fluid dynamics, specifically looking at density and viscosity. This works by analyzing that the same amount of two different liquids may have different weights because they have different masses. Liquids that weigh more will sink below lighter liquids, and this is because the liquid that has the most mass per unit volume has the highest density. Some liquids don't mix because they repel each other like oil and water, and some liquids resist mixing because of their thickness or their viscosities. And when there's large gradients between these viscosities, they don't mix. Density is basically how much stuff is smashed into a particular area, or a comparison between an object's mass and volume. Remember the all-important equation: density equals mass divided by volume. Based on this equation, if the weight or mass of something increases, the volume stays the same, the density has to go up. Likewise, the mass decreases, but the volume stays the same, then the density has to go down. Lighter liquids are less dense than heavier liquids, and they float on top of other layers. For my experiment, I used a normal-sized drinking glass to hold the liquids, and then I layered mine up from the densest to the least dense. I did honey and then corn syrup. I also did 2 types of different soaps, and then I did colored waters using food coloring, vegetable oil, colored alcohol on top of the vegetable oil, and then if you have available, you can use other lighter oils like lamp oil as well, but I didn't have any available.